This 2026 Model S Plaid came to us all the way from Utah to California to get customized, and I guarantee you, you've never seen one like this before. So the customer and I met prior to him actually ordering his Model S Plaid in preparation for the following customizations. We discussed first and foremost that the car should be ordered in the brand new diamond black color by Tesla because we knew that we were going to go ahead and wrap it in the very popular Inozotek satin midnight moss color change PPF film. This was one of the most popular colors in 2024 for us, and it has never been done on a Model S Plaid. It is absolutely stunning. This colorway changes from dark, deep grays, some satin blacks, a little bit of green, as you can see. And as you walk around it, and depending how the sun is hitting it, it really does affect the overall appearance of the exterior. Absolutely stunning. Now, take a look over here. The lower front apron, that's actually brand new and part of the Model S Plaid. Instead of wrapping it, we decided to leave it black so that it could be more defined and give the sporty look the Plaid deserves. We did the same thing in the rear with the rear diffuser, which I'll get to in a moment. We also went ahead and smoke tinted the headlights for a little bit more of a sinister look, blends nicely with the wrap, and let's get right into the wheels. The customer was smart. He ordered the car with the stock 19-inch wheels because he knew that he wanted our 21-inch fully forged wheels, and this style is called TS115 and it's finished in satin brushed clear, showing off the very nice high-performance braking system and brake calipers that are normally red that we custom painted to match the wrap in satin midnight moss. Now, nice little touches, matte carbon fiber, front fender camera covers. Then as you move along to the rear of the vehicle, even though this is a Plaid and it came with a matte carbon fiber wing, it just wasn't sporty enough. The customer chose our rear spoiler in a matte carbon fiber finish. Looks really great. So now let's move on to the interior and let me show you what we did there. So let's take it back to 2013 when T-Sportline became a real company and I purchased my first Model S that I customized using Ferrari crema leather hides imported from the tanneries in Europe. And now I'm proud to share with you this beautiful 2026 Model S Plaid with a full Ferrari crema interior. And as you could see, we reupholstered the front and rear seats, the lower dash, center console, armrest, the door panel inserts, the lower part of the doors. We had to dye the speaker grills to match the crema color, and even the seat backs, which are normally a hard shell, plastic hard shell actually wrapped in vinyl, have now been reupholstered using Ferrari crema. Now, the interior of the Model S Plaid for this year is very special. It comes from Tesla with two different tones of material and types of fabric and colorways. Black on black Alcantara suede, the very popular sporty white with black bolster inserts, and with cream as well. But there is no comparison when you look at a vegan interior from Tesla to a beautiful leather interior with these particular hides. Absolutely stunning. The customer did not want to go two-tone, wanted to keep it all Ferrari crema, and it absolutely looks great. So my team does an amazing job wrapping vehicles. And as you could see, this Model S Plaid is no exception. And as I said earlier, we decided not to wrap the rear diffuser, but to actually let it stay gloss black so it looks extra defined and very sporty.